Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we'll be making some Jamaican brown stew fish with our Jamaican kingfish or jackfish. If you haven't, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, share, like, and comment. Now we're starting off with our fish that has been washed and scaled and pat dry. We're going to season our fish with our garlic powder, onion powder, salt, black pepper, fish seasoning. Now we're going to sprinkle that generously over the fish, rub it in, do that on both sides. And be very generous with the seasoning, because once you start to fry that fish, some of the seasoning that isn't fully stuck to it is going to fall off in the oil. So you're going to lose some of the seasoning. So be generous with it. Once you do that, just set that aside. Keep that remaining seasoning to season the pot later. So we're going to start off with our vegetables. We're going to peel and cut our carrots. You can do it into whatever shape you want. Strips, julienne. Cut up our bell pepper into julienne, into strips. I like using different colors. You just add some color to the pot. We're gonna slice some chocho. Jamaica, we call it chocho. Other parts of the Caribbean or the world, they call it Christophine or chayote. Gonna cut up our pumpkin. Peel the skin off the pumpkin. Some people like to leave it on. I like to remove mine and just cut that up. Have some fresh thyme, some green onion or scallion. Just cut it up nicely. Adds a nice aroma and flavor to the pot. Now we have our fresh garlic. Just smash that. Peel the husk or the skin or the trash off of it. Then we're gonna chop that up real fine. We're gonna mince that up. Just use the side of the knife to press the garlic and just give it another chop. So it's gonna be nice and minced up. Same thing with the ginger. We're gonna just slice that up. So we're gonna cut into some thin strips and then cut across it again. So it's nice and minced like the ginger, like the garlic. So once we're done with our veggies, just set aside. We're gonna grab our fish. And then we're gonna sear our fish. So we're gonna cook our fish on both sides. Get a nice golden brown color on either side. So fry that for about a minute or so. Once you get the desired color you're looking for, just flip the fish over and achieve the same thing on the other side of the fish. So once both sides are nice and golden brown, nice color, just remove them from the oil. We're gonna drain some of that oil. Leave a little bit in it to saute our vegetables in it. So now we're gonna saute our carrot, our peppers, our onion, the chocho, pumpkin, the thyme, garlic. So just stir that in. And we're gonna saute that for about a minute or two. Just to start releasing some of that flavor. Add our green onions, or scallion, as we call them in the Caribbean. And we're gonna pour some water in the pot to cover our veggies. Give that a stir, bring that to a boil. Gonna add some ketchup to the pot. Some meat and fish sauce. And some browning as well, or caramel color. That's where the name brown stew comes in. So we're going to stir it up, keep it at a simmer or a boil. So that ketchup bottle, if you don't have enough, if you don't have a lot left in it, I like to just rinse mine out and just add everything to the pot. Add a little bit of water, shake it up, add it to the pot. Then we're going to add our fish back to the liquid now that we're building. So that remaining season that was there, just add it to the pot to re-season your pot. Give that a nice stir so it's all incorporated in it. We're going to add some pimento seed or allspice and some bay leaf. The bay leaf is optional. I like using bay leaf. But if you don't have the bay leaf, the thyme and the green onion and the ginger, it's perfectly fine. Now add some heat to it. I like using the jerk seasoning. If you want, add your Scotch bonnet, your habanero, pepper flakes, whatever spice that you want to add to it that brings out that heat. So just cover your pot, bring that to a simmer or a boil, keep it at a simmer or a boil. Let it reduce, get your sauce real nice and thick, your vegetables tender, and your fish cooked all the way through. Oh, there you go, guys. The veggies are all tender. You get the consistency you're looking for with your sauce. You have your Jamaican brown stew fish. Now you can enjoy this by itself with your rice and peas, white rice, your bami, fried dumpling, plantain, whatever you choose to enjoy it with. 2 slices of white bread or whole wheat bread, whatever it is. There you go, guys. Jamaican brown stew kingfish or jackfish. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe.